Hey, what's going on, friend? Juan Pablo here. I'm here to share with you a particular topic. Reasons why my credit score sucks, and even why your credit score sucks. You may be frustrated at that, right? That your FICO score is not where you want it to be. I was in the same situation, but in my case, I had a reason or an excuse, right? I paid myself through college. So being that I paid myself through college, I happened to lose my job, maybe because I was partying too much. I was in a fraternity. Shout out to Kappa Alpha Psi. To the point, my grades took a dip as well as my FICO score. And I had a choice to make, right? Either pay rent with the little money I had since I lost my job, or pay my credit card bills. I'm gonna pay rent. And so that's what I decided to do, to the point that it wasn't beneficial for me in the long run. Because once I graduated college, I was unable to get the job that I want. And I was stuck doing manual labor, even though I'm a college graduate, 3.2 GPA in economics and a minor in statistics, right? So it sucked. So it took me 6 months to get a job, a real job, a career, as a result of my low FICO score. And the only job I ended up getting was a job with the government. You say, hey Juan, well that's cool. Thanks for explaining in great detail your excuses, but what does that have to do with me? Well, you might be in that same situation, my friend, in which that your credit scores took a dip, fell down, either fault of your own or fault of someone else, but then at the end of the day, it should have been your credit. And with my situation, not just college, but also co-signed for other people, family members and friends, in which when they stopped paying it, guess what? It reflected on my credit report. So that might have happened to you. Either way, it's on your credit report and you gotta do something about it. So according to the FCRA, that's the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you can dispute and challenge any negative and inaccurate information that's found on your credit report. In my case, I had late pays, I had collections, I had charge-offs, I had a high debt to credit ratio, meaning my debt utilization was so high on my revolving accounts, such as my credit cards. So let me give you an example. If you have a Bank of America credit card with $1,000 maximum limit, and you have $700 charged to that credit card, that's very high. That's a 70% debt to credit ratio. Ideally, you want that credit ratio or credit utilization to be below 30%, okay? So in my case, I had high debt utilization, many negative things on my credit report. So what I tried to do first was do the workaround. I'll say, okay, well maybe I can do this since I have the bad credit, or maybe I can borrow this from someone else, or see someone else can co-sign for me. But no, I realized, you know what? If I want to be a real estate investor, which I am now, I realized, I need to tackle this thing head on. I need to face the music. The first step I need to do is take a look at my credit report and then locate all the negative items that's on my credit report and start disputing it month after month, because sometimes you might have some negative items in your credit report that are stubborn to come off. So you might need to be aggressive and month after month dispute those negative items so that they fall off. So here are some reasons why your credit may suck. You may have high debt utilization. You may have a ton of inquiries. Inquiries occur when you apply for credit, such as you apply for a loan or financing of some sort. And if you have more than 5 within the past 6 months, that's considered negative. And you may also be in a situation in which you have public records on your credit report. That can be judgments, that can be bankruptcies, it can be tax liens, things of that nature. You may have minor delinquencies, collections, charge-off. You may have late pays on your credit report, or you may have someone else's negative activity reporting on your credit report. But at the end of the day, you can get your credit repaired. All you have to do is first and foremost, take a look at your credit report. Now we have a resource below, just check the link below to apply, and it's just $1 to sign up. It's not with us, it's with the other company, a third party, so that you can take an accurate depiction of your FICO score. Now I prefer you use our preferred credit monitoring service, simply because you use other ones that are free. Let's say Credit Karma, they charge you nothing, pretty much, but you get what you pay for, if you get my drift. It's free for a reason. It's not accurate. They don't provide an accurate depiction of your FICO score. And if you use other sources like annualcreditreport.com, that is a start, don't get me wrong, but you want to monitor your credit on a monthly basis if you know you need to repair your credit. Because as I stated earlier, not everything will fall off the first month. You might take several months, who knows, up to 6 months max. So if you guys are interested in credit repair, I highly recommend you take a look at your credit report first and then start disputing those negative items. So you need some assistance, just book a call with us. We'll be able to assist you and we can help you get those negative items off your credit report so that it will no longer suck. All right guys, so that's it. As always, to your success, continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.